Increasing your Twitch audience is essential for online success. The more people that watch your live streams, the more money you can make. Some Twitch streamers make hundreds of dollars each month by monetizing their channels. Viewers can play video games or watch their favorite content creators create various forms of entertainment. Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Today's video will talk about Twitch and how to make money on Twitch. But before we go any further, I'd love it if you would subscribe to my channel and enable the notification bell so that you may see more exciting content like this. In this video, we'll go into more detail about what Twitch is, how broadcasters profit from it, how much they earn, and how to profit from Twitch. What is Twitch? A live streaming platform called Twitch enables content creators to share their real-time engagement in a range of activities, such as video games, esports, music, and more. Video gaming is the most popular form of entertainment on the network, with more than 3,000 different games being streamed at any given time. It gives money to content creators based on how much revenue they have generated every 15 days. Streamers can boost their overall earnings by employing different revenue-generating strategies. What kind of earnings is possible on Twitch? The amount of money you may make on Twitch mostly depends on how many people consistently watch your live streams. The bigger your audience, the more money you'll make. The research below was recently conducted by StreamerFacts to provide an estimate of how much streamers on Twitch can earn each month at various audience sizes. Total number of viewers estimated earnings. Per stream, there are often 5 to 10 viewers can earn up to $100 to $400 each month. 10,000 viewers each stream on average can earn up to $30,000 per month. Over 50,000 views are averaged on every stream. Monthly range, $100,001 to $200,000 plus. Joining Twitch should be the first step towards beginning a career as a professional video gamer. Renowned Twitch streamers can earn hundreds of thousands of dollars each month in recurring revenue. Reaching just 5 to 10 average viewers per program is currently impossible. How to grow your Twitch audience? Number 1. Locate your niche. By focusing, you can create an audience that is interested in the specific streaming material. If you stream multiple items at once, it could be challenging to develop a devoted following. Choose one important area to focus on instead. For instance, you might stream Minecraft over your channel. Number 2. Engage your audience. Being a must-watch Twitch streamer requires talent. Take inspiration from other streamers on how to hook viewers early on. Nobody enjoys watching a stream where the presenter doesn't talk to them much or performs poorly. Number 3. Increase your network. If you're considering establishing a Twitch stream, start talking to other content creators. You can interact with other viewers and foster community through this. Aside from watching a streamer, make sure you are taking part in the live chats. Number 4. Develop your internet identity and personal brand. Consider launching a website, YouTube channel, Instagram account, or other social media platforms to grow your brand and audience. By producing these things and remaining active on other platforms, you might expand your audience and draw more viewers to your Twitch channel. How to make cash on Twitch as a novice. If you're just starting as a Twitch streamer, be aware that it could take some time for your channel to gain popularity. Start your channel off well by consistently staying put and streaming popular video games that viewers will enjoy. Here are a few ways to start earning money after you've begun to attract some visitors with each movement. Number 1. Donations. Although you are unable to set up membership levels as a beginner, you can still collect donations from viewers of your video feeds. This functionality can be configured through a third-party organization. Create a donation button on your Twitch channel using PayPal, or use a service like Streamlabs to create a tip webpage, and you can start earning extra money through tips and donations to your channel. Number 2. Amazon Associates. Modern streamers can leverage Amazon Associates, an Amazon-specific affiliate program, to announce a few associate profits. Using this tool, broadcasters can highlight Amazon products while they're live and include affiliate links to them on their channel. The streamer will receive a cut of every purchase made by a viewer who plans to buy that item. Number 3. Patreon subscriptions. Patreon is a fantastic option for new Twitch streamers to start making money right away from subscribers because they are currently unable to develop subscription programs that are based on Twitch. Streamers can specify their subscription levels and the benefits associated with each level on Patreon. Getting shoutouts can be a very effective technique to draw attention to your Twitch channel, even if you have to pay for them as a patron or subscriber. How to make money on Twitch as an affiliate. You can join the Twitch affiliate program if you've been active on Twitch for a while. The following criteria must be met to qualify: a minimum of 7 distinct broadcast days and 500 minutes in total of broadcast time throughout the previous 30 days. Twitch will notify you via your user dashboard when your channel becomes eligible for affiliate popularity, and you can then begin using the additional affiliate capabilities. Additional monetization options become available when you become a Twitch affiliate, which we'll explore in depth below. Number 1. Twitch subscriptions. You can start selling your subscription levels inside of Twitch once you've been accepted daily into the Twitch affiliate program. You can install one of Twitch's 3 premium subscription tiers for $4.99, $9.99, or $24.99 per month. Number 2. Twitch Bits. Twitch Bits, a type of virtual currency that viewers send broadcasters to cheer for them while they are broadcasting, are one of the benefits of being a Twitch affiliate. Bits should be bought in quantity by viewers to send to their favorite streamers or to give as gifts during games or commentary. How to make cash as a Twitch partner. Being a Twitch affiliate is the first step up from the Twitch partner program. While Twitch will automatically contact accounts that qualify to become affiliates, streamers must manually sign up to be considered for the Twitch partner program. Number 1. Twitch partner program. The requirements for this program's eligibility aren't quite as straightforward, but you still need to have a loyal and active audience, move about a lot, and serve as a role model in your neighborhood. You may also want to complete the following stages in the path to Partner Fulfillment Dashboard. For 25 hours of stream on 12 notable days with an average of 75 viewers. After that, you'll have access to one more way to monetize your Twitch channel: advertising money. Number 2. Twitch commercials. You might include advertisements in your streams if you become a Twitch partner. This is easiest if you have a large audience because you'll be paid based on how many times each advertisement is seen. How to monetize Twitch with a huge target market. There are further monetization strategies you may employ to earn money on Twitch once you've grown your audience. Number 1. Brand sponsorships and partnerships. For big channels, sponsorship is a powerful monetization strategy. You as a streamer must inform viewers that you have been compensated to promote that good or service. A disclaimer like, "This is a promotion by way of your name," is a good approach to indicate that Twitch isn't behind this advertisement. Number 2. Merchandise. These can be products with your logo or design on them, such as t-shirts, blankets, hoodies, pens, and hats. You can even set up a shop on Twitch so that your viewers can purchase your goods directly from you. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. A technique to earn money when others use your affiliate link to buy something is affiliate marketing. You must first sign up for the associate applications of your favorite organizations. How to use your Twitch audience to increase your income from Twitch. Number 1. YouTube channel. Consider starting a YouTube channel so that your audience may continue to consume your content even if you aren't currently active on the website. Number 2. Coaching. Offerings for upcoming Twitch streamers are another option for generating income by using your Twitch audience. For instance, you may offer training services to share your knowledge of creating a Twitch target audience. You may also think about providing the following services: profile individualization, designing graphics for banners and panels. Anything you've mastered on your Twitch channel can become a service you give to more inexperienced Twitch streamers. Looking for additional online income streams? See what kinds of remarkable professions you might be interested in to make money by checking out our channel. We appreciate your patience as we finish this video. Please remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I love you, and I'll see you in the next video.